My cat is crying because I'm going out. Good morning, guys. I'll see you later, guys. I'm gonna drop my mother-in-law today, and this is just trying to clean up a little bit because this is the only time that I can clean up in this window that I can see, because the people are coming here to fix our telephone. The main telephone in the house is not working, and I don't know why, but yeah, they're going to fix it outside because the thing is outside. And when I dropped my mother-in-law to the dialysis, guys, you know, because of this problem right now, this Ebola thing. What the heck is this? Hold on. Why this chairs always go far? They have this Ebola problem, and yeah, they check me. Oh god. And I always have a headache, you know. My headache is always like every day, all day. So I always have a headache. So she asked me, like, the temperature is good. She asked me, do you have headache? Is your muscle hurting? I said, I'm good. My headache has always been like this since when I was in Cebu. A big metal dropped in my head from the shower. You know, the shower curtain have a metal, like, you know, they put a metal in it that you can hook you can put the shower curtain. That's where I work. So, and that shower curtain holder, like the metal one, is dropped in my head, and I never check my head if there's something wrong. So after like 6 years after, no, it's not 6, 10 years, no, 6 years after, then I feel the headache all the time since I got here in the US. It's always the pain and everything. I'm feeling the pain all the time. It's just, that's why I keep taking. Sometimes I don't take Advil because that sometimes, you know, if you keep taking, you know, medicine for your headache, and then if you keep doing that, it doesn't work anymore. There's no effect. You know what I mean? Waiting for these guys to come over to fix the phone. There's no joke with my headache. I'm tired of this. And my husband is working today. It's Wednesday 30th today, 29. October 29. Yeah. And I can't wait for my order to come today. I don't know if it will be delivered today. I don't know. I'm just gonna go dusting with the little thing in there, in here. Dust. I'm using Pledge. This one here. This is what I'm using for like dusting because it makes it shiny. My head is killing me, guys. I don't know. Hi guys, I just want to shout out again. It just makes me laugh. She commented me, she's looking for the video that I shout out here. I'm sure I did shout out MaryAnn Fabon, but I will shout again MaryAnn, not MaryAnn, right? It's MaryAnn Fabon. And thank you for watching my vlog. Why I'm shouting? I feel like I'm shouting right here. So anyway, thank you for watching my vlog, and thank you to all the comments. Where are you, kiddos? Where is my kiddos? Where are you guys? I heard my little guys crying again. Oh my god! What are you doing? Hobbs, you're such a bad guy. You are the bad guy. I'll show you what you're doing. Why you get the grass out from the container, huh? Why? Are you that hungry? I will feed you again. Are you kidding me, Hobbs? Why you're bad? Bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. You're such a bad boy. You're such a bad boy. Like what he does the last time too. He put this is the space for the cats a cat's space here. They have their own thing. The window is dirty because they just like slime over there. Look what you did. Everything is wet. Why you such a bad boy, huh? You're such a bad boy, huh? Why you such a bad boy, huh? You're such a bad boy. 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 Hey, Hubs, clean up your mess. The water, he carried a container everywhere and cry while he's carrying it. Like, I'm hungry. I have to make a mess that somebody will recognize that I'm around and I'm hungry. What, huh? Do you want some food? I'll give you some food. This cat, my husband just feed him. We went out last night just to get the cat and dog food because the cat don't have any more breakfast because my husband like to give them breakfast. They have fancy fest after Halloween because while the Halloween is not here, I'm planning to take everything out like for a Christmas decoration. The Christmas tree we have, I'm gonna take everything out from the attic and yeah. But I can't do that because if I go to the attic and if this guy is coming over early and I'm upstairs, then I can't hear them. It's become a habit that the two cats sleeping in that couch. Shirt, laundry. I miss my husband. You know, guys, I have this habit that I smell my husband. My husband's shirt, if it's too much, you know. I don't know. Some other people, it's disgusting, but I'm sure I'm not the only one doing this. I always smell his, you know, the armpit side. It smells good. To be honest with you guys, I'm not saying because he is my husband that it smells good. To be honest with you, it smells so freaking good. Like, I don't understand. Maybe because of his deodorant, but it smells perfect. Like, it's addictive. That's why if I go to the Philippines, I might bring some of his used shirt that I can keep snipping. This is the living room, guys. I'll show it to you. That's the living room. And that one is a massage chair. The massage chair. And yeah, I put cover in it because the cat will scratch because that's leather. Dining area. So, the dining area there, did you see that door? That door right there that I close? That's the door going to the kitchen. So, if you keep coming here, you keep coming. This is the dining area here. Yeah, dining area. And when you turn, again, that's the living room. This is the TV area here. So I'm here in the TV. And that TV there is the mirror. The whole thing here is the mirror. The whole thing. Go under, go to the floor. From to the ceilings and to the floor, it's a mirror. And we put the TV here and everything like that. This TV is small. Okay, I'm in the TV, and all I can see from the TV is the living room and the dining room right there. That's massage chair. It's very useful when people come here for massage, and I don't use that often. My husband doesn't use it. And my mother-in-law, which is, she never used it for a long time already. So that's a very short tour, but at least you can see where I always be, you know, where I always hang out. Here in my laptop. Somebody doesn't see. I have a picture here, guys, from my wedding picture. Sorry, guys, if you don't see my husband on my vlog because he doesn't really want it. He just agreed that I'm vlogging, and then he can hear, you guys can hear his voice. If I vlog him, if I point the camera into his face, he doesn't look at the camera. Yeah. Anyway, he just agreed that, you know, it's okay if he talk. He asked me, don't point the camera into his face. It's okay if, you know, he's talking, and that's it. But I can't just like, sometimes, you know, it's like I'm joking. I do the camera like that quick. Okay, like that. Sometimes, you know, not all the time. I think in one vlog I did that. But I think in the wedding video I posted, it's part 1 and part 2. So I think you see my husband's face in there. So I think that's the only vlog that you can see his face long. I'm not sure. I have some picture here that you know, you can see my, this is the wedding picture, and I will show it to you. I don't know. Too much light. That one, guys. At least you see his face, you know. It's not that you can hear his voice, but I can't put him onto my vlog. And I just don't want him to get mad at me because, you know, I did that. I'm going to tell my husband that you guys requested, you know. But I'm sure, guys, he doesn't really want it. But I will tell him anyway that, you know, you guys wish that, you know, you can see his face on the video. I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm having the mixed seafoods. You have a mixed seafoods left over, and if you just, you know, don't keep eating it, and then you just leave it for a few days in your refrigerator, it's gonna go bad because, you know, it's seafoods. I'm having rice, two sliced spam, and mixed seafoods. The seafoods, it's mixed. This is, I have a garlic bread. It's nice. The garlic bread, you dipped it into the sauce. I'm going, Hubs. Mama is ready to go to pick up your grandma. Yeah, I just called the cab. The answer very quick. Blah blah. Oh, can you say the cab to blah 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 blah? And he says, and I said, okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, Hubs. Bye, Humpty. Bye, Humpty. He's sitting there waiting for his treats. That's the reason why he's in there. Come here. Bye. 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 Oh, don't forget the money. The money to feed the cat. Bye, Hubs. Mama is leaving again. Pick up your grandma. Hi guys. We're just finished having dinner, and yeah, I made some steak. Look at this pimple, guys. It's getting bigger. It's two. This one is getting bigger now, but you still can see a little mark. This one is getting bigger, and my husband just get home on time, and yeah, so right now I have a really bad headache, and I'm watching April Justin TV. Hi guys, good evening. As you can see, I'm already curled up in bed with my cozy blanket, and I'm ready to go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Bye bye.